Just dropped my palette. Dang it! Nothing broke. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna try to record this. I have been trying to record for the past 3 days and my looks have just not been coming out the way I want them to. So I kind of forced myself today. This is like the 3rd look that I've done today. And I'm just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna roll with it. This is how it turned out. Wasn't what I was going for, but you guys may like it. It's growing on me. I'm not fully there with the look, but you guys may like it, and if you do, here's the tutorial, okay? So let's roll into it. The palette that I'm using to do this look is the Morphe 39A, the Dare to Create palette. I am using the first shade I'm going to go in with is called Stroke. No, I lied. The first shade I'm going in with is called Expression. It's this dark brown shade right here. And I do have some tape here on the side because I want this look to have a sharp wing or sharp point, be very defined. So I am using the tape over here to do the work for me. Now that I have that color right where I want it, next I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. I'm going in with Cut Crease. And I'm using an M506 brush, and Cut Crease is this brown shade right here. And I'm just going in to diffuse and blend out the harsh line from that first color Expression. I'm not worried about right now if I lose any of this dark brown because you can always go back and add more. So there's that eye. Now I'm going to go in with a darker shade, which is Slice right here, this dark shade. Not black and it's not necessarily brown, it's just a really deep plum color if you ask me. But I'm going to use that on an M507 brush. This one is just like the 506 except it's pointy. It has a little point to it. So it's good for getting right into the crease. This is just going to give me more depth. Now it's time for the difficult part, the lined crease. That's what we're going to call it. Small stamps. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Color right here. Ooh, this one right here. Right in the center, I'm going to go in with the next shade, which is going to be Tailor, and it's the shade right next to Color. This one right here is called Tailor, so I'm going to use this right there in the middle. So I'm going to go back in now with my 506 brush, back into the darkest shade that I use, which is Slice. Some of that color is still right there, but I'm just gonna go through right here along that tape just to deepen it up a little bit more. Next I'm going to go in with my second darkest shade I used, which was Expression. This is the shade that I used in my crease, and I'm gonna add that in right here. So I'm just going from dark to light with the colors that I put in my crease. Now I'm going in with Cut Crease and putting that next to my previous shade. Gonna give me that nice gradient look. Okay, so there we are. Now I'm gonna go in with my wing, and I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner. Using the tape does make it much easier. guys can understand and get what I was going for with the look. It may not have turned out exactly how I planned it, but you know, so be the world. And this one is lower, this one's higher, just the way it is right now. I am not doing this over. I don't want to do this over. I'm trying to think, do I want to fix it? So here's the deal. I'm gonna go off camera, fix this eye. You guys seen this eye, so you know like how it should look. I'm gonna make this one look like this one, and then I'll be back to finish. Okay, so here is my attempt at making it better. This is the best it's gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face.